Yeah, I wanted to show you all this. It's 439 watts. Now it's less than that. Hell, 100. Okay, it must be getting a cloud. But, okay. It's pretty early. So there's 430, let's just say 435, 39. Okay. That's coming through this power jack. Alright. So I'm going to shut this off. Okay. And you'll see it die down. Okay. It died down. Now I'm going over to here where this controller is. There's nothing on it, but this puts the power to my batteries. Look at the difference in the wattage. 690 watts. Big difference in how much you lose through this. It's amazing. I mean, I know it's, it's going into the grid. I don't need the voltage right now because should be pretty close. I should be at 100%. Well, I'm at 99%. I mean, but I just can't believe the voltage difference or the wattage difference that these things do. When I was running through those two 600s, these things actually stayed about the same. So I'll get that glare off there. There you go. 702 watts. Now these panels haven't kicked in yet. Get that glare. There we go. I'm not making anything off this one because the sun hasn't got up that far yet for that set of rays. But this one over here is just starting. Let me turn the light on. Come on. That one's just starting to come to life. There's another set of arrays on that. It's early, and I just can't believe the power difference in what they make. And I thought, well, maybe it's the controller, but it's not. I've tried all three of them on this array, and they do the same. So I'm going to shut this switch off. And you can see I went back to 0. And I'm going to turn this one back on. And that went up to 40. And that'll climb back up. But you're looking at, what is it, 4, 5, 6, almost 300 watts difference that you're losing through this grid tie. And not a big fan. Even this part, if you turn it on, you can't really do much with it. It don't change nothing. Just not a big fan of it. So, and that array, it's, like I say, we're getting some clouds, but, I mean, they're passing, but 400 watts, it's, you're losing a lot of power here. And, don't know if I'm gonna keep that or not. I'm not happy with it. And I bought this thing, thought I was gonna get a good deal here, and I hooked it up, and I hooked it up to the array I was just showing you. I actually hooked this array right here, or this controller, to this one right here. And this thing actually uses more power to run it than it produces. It's a piece of crap. I'm not a big fan of it. I thought, hey, I got it cheap. I'll try it out. It's junk. I don't like it. And what it's supposed to do is, once your batteries get charged, it's supposed to automatically grid tie over. It just eats up a lot of electric, a lot of power. But and here we are back to this. 431, 432. There's the voltage. It's doing 16.9 amps. It's but now if I off, then I'll get up here. I'll turn this one back on, and there it is. 670. Big difference in what they produce. And this one's putting out, damn, can't hardly see the thing here, but you got 25 amps at 675 watts. Now, like I say, it will get up to over 1,000, but it's just not, this thing's not doing what it should do. So thought I'd let you guys know what I'm got going on here. Any suggestions? Give me some input. I'd really appreciate it. I'll talk to y'all later.